Hey guys, this is Coach Arnie, and I want to make this video because it's December the 1st, and as far as my pain-free program, my bulletproof aging program is concerned, I am always have been a test subject for what I'm doing, and what I love to do is hike the Grand Canyon and explore and challenge myself in the Grand Canyon. So next year, in 2024, at the age of 65, I will become the first person over 65 to do an R5. That's 2 rim to rim to rims back to back. So I wanted to make this video today to mark the starting point, although I've been training all along with my pain-free method to bulletproof my body, not only physically, but mentally, psychologically, obviously, and nutritionally. And so along this journey, I'm going to share what I'm doing. As of right now, I have a scheduled adventure in the canyon, R3, in January. We don't have the exact date yet. Working on that. Has a lot to do with the weather. And then each subsequent journey into the canyon, I will be demonstrating what I'm doing from a physical standpoint, from a nutritional standpoint, and from a mental and emotional planning standpoint, so that at the end of next year, or at the end of this adventure, at the end sometime in the last part of October, we will have enough information to kind of document what I went through to get to where I'm going. So basically, I'm starting with the end in mind, and we're going to work backwards. So here we are, December the 1st, 2023, and I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with everybody as I attempt and will be the first person over 65 to do this, as I was the first person over 60 to do an R5 a couple years ago. So here we go. Mark this on your calendar when you see this, that Coach Arnie started on December the 1st to share his adventure with all of you. Not just because I want to brag, but I want to impress upon you that all of us can bulletproof ourselves in our aging process, because we're all getting older, but we all don't have to get old. We can be functional. I want everybody, when you see this video, to get out a piece of paper and a pencil and write down the top 5 things that you want to be able to do in the last decade of your life. That is your assignment, because that's what I'm doing with all of this, and I want to prove to you and show you and share with you what you're capable of doing, whether it's at the Grand Canyon or anywhere else. Because I love you guys, and I want you to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, and with who you want to do it with. I love you, and I look forward to sharing this with you.